So, hello people of YouTube, welcome to my podcast. Today we have a very special guest with us, Amay Kadam. So, I have known Amay for like 5 6 years now, right? Five
Yeah,
six years.
more than 5 6 years, I guess.
Almost 10 years.
Almost 8 to 10 years now.
Yeah.
Long time.
Yeah, so we were in the same college. We didn't study the same course. I did biotech and
I did a master's in petroleum technology.
yeah. So today now, what Amay does is he does trading, online trading, day trading, and he is going to talk about that. And he is also going to talk about himself, how he got into trading, how he also used to play games, PUBG and all, and go to tournaments. So he will also be talking about that, and we will get to know about Amay a little bit about his life, about his education, about his work, and everything in between. So let's start. Let's ask Amay the first question. So, just in brief, try to try to tell us something about yourself, like starting from the beginning of your life.
Okay. So, first of all, thank you for inviting me. And basically, I'm from Pune. I'm born and brought up from Pune only. I did my schooling from the Holy Angels Convent School. And after that, shifted to another school, YMCA school, that is in Camp. I did my I went to my college in Nauroji Wadia, and I've like done
11, 12.
Yes, my 11th, 12th, my graduation, my post graduation, everything has been done from Nauroji itself.
Yeah.
It's a very decent college now. Most of the people, have this thing, right, which says ki nahi ye college acha nahi hai, don't go to this college. But yeah, those who want to study, those who want to, achieve their dreams, achieve their goals, any college will do. So basically, what happened? There was this course related to petroleum. For that, in the graduation, we have to go for a specific subject known as geology.
Okay.
It basically is it is the study of science of earth. Like, what do you call that? Study of rocks,
Study of rocks.
minerals, what lies under the surface of the earth. And from after taking that degree, I shifted to petroleum in my master's.
Okay. So this geology degree is essential for petroleum.
Yes. It's essential. You can't do it without geology, I guess. Yeah. I guess you can't do it without geology. Very decent subject. Yeah. Oil field was in a boom at that time.
Yeah, that time, matlab, it was 2015.
Yeah, maybe around 2015. That was the golden era. That was the golden
For
era.
oil.
That for oil and gas industry, that was a golden era. But unfortunately, like we completed our course in, I guess, around 2018-19. I don't even remember.
18, I think.
18, yeah. 18. And by the time we completed this course, the oil industry had sunk a little bit.
Yeah, I means like I have friends who say कि it sunk very low.
Yeah, it went down. It went down drastically.
And especially for the youth from India, like Wadia College is one of the top 4 colleges for petroleum all around India.
I guess it is the topmost college, like
In
the
Maharashtra,
best college.
it is number 1.
Yes.
And all over India it is
Ranks on number 4.
Ranks number 4 for petroleum degree. मतलब petroleum के लिए बाप college है अपना.
Yes, that's true.
Wadias.
That's true.
But like a lot of people, what they do, they try to do petroleum और petroleum करके abroad जाने का,
Yes,
Middle East जाने का.
exactly.
But like the people who with you who did petroleum, वो लोग के सब लफड़े लग गए.
See,
क्योंकि वो टाइम पे ये सब सिंक हो गया.
Yes, true. So, I'll tell you my personal experience, what all happened with my friends. The time, the era, the golden era, which was still, you know, let's consider 2015. Now for our thing, for our job, we go as a trainee mudlogger. They also call it a sample catcher's job.
Okay.
So in this job, what you have to do is there's a big thing, like there's a rig, you have to drill a hole, you know, and then there are many things. There are endless things which you need to take care of. You know what rules you need to follow. There are all these things. We basically go for a position as a trainee mudlogger or as a mudlogger. Mostly as a trainee mudlogger. So here you have to bring the samples. The hole which you drill, obviously the stones or the rocks, they are going to come out.
Yeah.
So you have to bring these,
To your lab.
yes, to your lab. You have to wash it and then show it to your senior person who's known as a mudlogger.
Okay.
Okay, so he analyzes it. He checks whether there are, you know, oil stains in it, or what type of rock it is. Right? So you have to all these things. During the golden era, the salary for a trainee mudlogger was around 70-80K,
Okay.
maybe more than 1 lakh, maybe.
For trainee mudlogger.
Yeah, for a trainee mudlogger.
Okay, you
because
get
that
a MSc in Petrotech.
yes, and then you go for a trainee mudlogger's job.
Okay.
Now what happened is you don't get that much salary.
I have heard ki people who are working in India for Reliance and all, they
Yeah.
are getting like 25,000, 30.
Yes, exactly. You heard it right. So what happens is you can't survive in 25,000 in today's world. It's not possible.
Yeah.
Like if you ask me personally, what I feel, even if you get 1 lakh rupees per month, it's not good.
Okay. It's not
According to
enough.
me, it's not good. Yes, it's a pretty decent amount.
Yeah.
We can't even argue on that topic, whether it's not a good amount or not. But for me, if you ask me, no, you can't even survive in 1 lakh.
Okay.
You should work more. You should, you know, try to create multiple sources of income.
Okay.
And that's what every individual should do right now. That's how you will survive. Because only on the basis of a job, what are you going to do after you get retired?
I think that generation where means like the generation before us,
Yeah.
they were like ki, we should get a job
Exactly.
so that our life is settled. Now
Yes.
it's like if you get a job, that job is just for security, and to live, to earn actual money, you have to do other things along with the job.
Yes.
Or in your case, you decided not to do the job
Exactly.
altogether and
Yeah.
just build yourself, build your own career, your own business.
Right. So, see, I'll tell you a very, very small thing. You know what happened? Our parents, their generation. So, what was their mindset? You get a job
Yeah,
and you make a living out of it.
yeah,
In today's world, it's not possible. I mean, like very basic thing. Even if you go out, you want to buy Nike shoes, like let's say Jordans. How much will they cost?
80,000 के 80,000
Thousands?
Thousands.
Chalo, I don't even have Jordans, but I've heard people wearing shoes worth rupees 1 lakh. Jordans, which are worth 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
And what is our income? Not even 1 lakh. We have to step up. We have to create extra sources of income.
Okay.
Try to, you know, suck money. Try to become a money magnet, basically.
Okay.
Try to become a money magnet, you know. And the most stupid thing what I've heard on the internet is money can't buy happiness.
Yeah, even I feel that money can buy happiness.
Yes, money can actually buy happiness. Yeah, some things, like some things, money can't buy you. But yes, if you have money, you can lead to a better life.
Yeah, it's all about the privilege actually. Once you have the money,
Yeah,
अगर मेरे अकाउंट में 10 लाख रुपए है
yeah,
तो इवन इफ आई एम नॉट फीलिंग गुड मैं उसमें से थोड़े पैसे जाके थेरेपिस्ट को देगा, साइकेट्रिस्ट को देगा.
Exactly.
Like if I don't feel good at the like in my environment, I can do something to change that environment.
Yeah,
Right.
true.
If the people around me are unhappy for some reason, I can do something for them.
Yeah.
Without money, it is just कि मैं कर सकता, मैं करूँगा. I you know, but with money you can actually make
Actually
things
do
happen.
things, yes.
And one more thing about money is that once you have money, even your words have value.
Exactly. See, what I've observed is the people who have money, they're taken more seriously.
Yeah, of course.
That's a fact. That's a
Yeah.
fact. We can't deny the fact. You know, because what happens is it's like a status. It's like, you know, symbol, right? That you have money, you are important in this society.
Yeah.
So, yes, money plays a very important role.
So, yeah. So this was about your school, and we started talking about money. So tell me the year in which you never took a job.
No, I never took a job.
Yeah. So after you passed out from your college,
Yeah.
after that, when you were at home, when you were doing nothing,
Yeah.
एक क्या बोलते हैं उसको, बेरोजगार बेरोजगार यूथ हमारे
Right.
देश का, तो वो एक साल कैसा गया?
Wow. More than a year, I guess. More than a year. That was more than a year. I got into gaming. You might have heard of this game known as Players Unknown Battlegrounds Mobile.
नहीं.
PUBG Mobile.
PUBG.
Yeah. So I started playing this and I was pretty addictive. I got addicted to it. Right after my college, right after my master's, what happened is I searched for jobs. I searched for jobs and I went to Gujarat. I applied in a company. I can't reveal the name, but yeah, I got rejected.
Okay.
I went. I thought, let's not waste time. Let's try to do something in Pune only. Related to any other field. Like IT or something like that, because I was not getting a job in my industry. I applied, I went for interviews and I got rejected.
Okay.
I'll be very fair, I got rejected. I was like, okay, can't help it. Then I was like, we started gaming. I thought, let's make a career in it.
In gaming.
Yes, in gaming. We used to play, me and like whenever you play PUBG, if you play a squad game, you have a squad of 4 people. Me and my squad, we used to play for 8 to 10 hours a day.
8 to 10 hours a day
8 to 10 hours a day.
on your phone.
Yeah.
Okay.
Our phones got fucked up. Our eyes got fucked up. Yeah, that's a fact, because sitting in front of a screen, be it a mobile phone or a computer screen, it's pretty hectic.
Yeah, it does a lot of damage to your head also. Your
Yes,
eyes,
yes.
your head.
Your head starts paining. Your eyes literally become red. Water starts coming out from your eyes because you're continuously staring at the screen. Right? We did that. I thought, right, chalo, let's go. इधर इसमें तो कुछ तो होगा. But same thing. We played qualifiers for big tournaments in India.
What are the names of these tournaments?
That was PUBG Mobile India Tour.
Okay.
Then PUBG Mobile India Series.
So you reached quarterfinals over there.
What happened was, there are qualification rounds. We played few rounds, and at some point we felt that our slot was given to someone else
Achha.
with the same squad name. Okay, not squad name, what do you call that? A clan. A clan has a name, a tag.
Okay.
So someone else got that slot
Okay.
because
So
they had contacts.
For the people who do not, like I have played a little bit of PUBG,
Yeah.
so I know what you're talking about. So for the people who have never played PUBG, how would you tell them?
See, it's good if it's only for fun,
Okay.
right? Making a career out of it, yeah, it takes a lot of time. And be it a game or anything else, you have to work hard. You have to give your 100% if you want to do something. But what I would say is, it's better you look for something else. Not
No. I am saying कि your experience of playing PUBG.
Oh my god.
Your experience.
Okay. Pretty decent game. Pretty decent game.
Addictive.
Very addictive. Very addictive. Once you start playing, you'll feel like, let's just keep on playing it with your charger put on your phone. You just want to feel that you should keep on playing.
Yeah.
Playing. You shouldn't stop. That's what you feel while you play the game. Yeah, for fun it's very good, but it's it's like an addiction, that game.
I'll tell you, मैं ये mental corner है ना,
Yes.
mental hospital, the mental hospital in
Right,
Noida.
right.
So next to mental hospital there is a tapri. So I was there sitting at the tapri having my tea and all.
Yeah.
And there an employee of the mental health, he comes there
Yeah.
for his tea, and while talking he tells us that there are small kids like 12, 13, 14-year-old kids who they don't have the phone in their hands, but they just they are just playing. There is no phone in their hand, but they are
Okay.
still just playing.
Okay. I got it.
Yeah.
That was the case, right?
Yeah,
That was
so-
some case.
Yeah, so that much mental effect the game has.
Yes.
Means it's just like substance abuse.
Yeah.
Even this game is very addictive.
Yes,
You
very
can-
addictive, yes.
Yeah, and those kids, they don't even understand that this is addiction or what this is. And
Right.
They play it just because they have a phone and they have the access to play the game.
Right.
They get addicted to it.
Yeah, very true. So I heard about this case. I guess it had come in the news also.
Yeah.
Yes, it had come in the news, and that was, what I feel is that everyone should know what should be the limit of a certain thing, right? If now that was some kid, right? I think his parents, I might be wrong here, I may be right, but sorry if I'm saying anything wrong, but his parents should understand how much access should be given to a certain thing.
Okay.
Like, if you limit that kid's time for 1 hour, okay, 1 hour. But if that kid is playing for like what we used to do, 8 hours, 10 hours, no, it's not going to help.
And it has different effects on you. Like, you are a grown person.
Right.
When a person is like in his mid-20s, his brain is already pretty
Exact-
much developed.
Pretty much
So
developed.
there is less harm. It is going to cause less harm to your brain, when you are
Right.
grown up. At the same time, when you're talking about little kids, it's going to cause them more harm.
Right,
Yeah.
exactly. So obviously what I would say is, now this thing, right? As you mentioned, substance abuse.
Yeah.
What happens there, right? You don't know what the fuck you are doing. You said that kid was like doing like this,
Yeah.
just moving his fingers. He didn't even have a phone in his hand, right? It can be as addictive as substance abuse.
Yeah.
For some people it can. Now let's be let's be specific about a topic like smoking weed, right? Smoking weed, some people are okay even if they smoke a lot of weed a day, but for some people they their brain gets fucked up.
Yeah.
You have to send them to, what do you call that, a rehabilitation center, right?
Yeah.
So that what happens. That's why every person should know a limit. Like, मुझे ये कितना करना है,
हाँ, पर
इससे ज्यादा मेरे ऊपर, मेरे बॉडी के ऊपर अगर इफेक्ट हो रहा है, सो इट्स नॉट गुड.
नहीं, पर एडिक्शन में वो सब समझ में नहीं आता.
Yeah,
Addiction
exactly.
is like this thing gives you happiness, so you run after that.
Yes.
Like, you feel कि this is real happiness, and
Right.
you keep repeating that thing.
Yeah,
so much.
it's like a loop.
Yeah, And
राइट कि ये करेगा खुशी मिलेगी, ये करते रहो करते रहो करते रहो, राइट. बट what I feel is, are you getting anything out of it? Are you getting anything out of it? If the answer is no, don't do it.
But this question, you know, a lot of people really struggle to ask this question to themselves also. Like, are you getting something out of it? It's like a momentary pleasure, you know.
Yeah, exactly. Momentary pleasure, right? Yeah, I think, you know, we should, right from the age, from where we are small, there should be some things which our parents should put limit on.
Okay.
Our parents should do it. Actually, I mean, obviously, now, if you talk about 2022, when were you born? 90s?
90s.
We are the 90s kids, right? We didn't have access to all these things.
Yeah.
These things have come now,
Yeah.
in past few years. So, what we did was, we used to go out, we used to go get beatings for not coming home.
Yeah.
The children who are born in, you know, mid 2000s, or you know,
2000 also.
right, 2000s, the generation after us are getting all this, right? Somewhere even we should play a role of talking to them.
Okay.
It's our responsibility too, right? That we should guide them. That is very important, because you know what happens, that some of the kids, they don't have anyone who will guide them,
Yeah.
you know. Like, that's a
Yeah,
fact.
even the parents, like now when you say talk about parents, like some parents are educated parents,
Right.
and most of the population in India, they are illiterate. Like when we say most of the population, almost 80% of the population in India, 70 to 80% population in India is illiterate.
Okay.
Now they don't have the capacity, like the way you think, you know, they don't have the
Right.
capacity to think that way.
Right.
Now they are like ki ha phone hai, म्हणजे they don't understand ki white hai, is it bad or is it good.
Good. Right.
Just phone hai, the kid is playing, you know, he's not worrying his parents, their parents are busy working, doing something, the kid is playing by himself alone, sitting with the phone. They are okay with it. The consequences are gonna come later.
Yeah.
They are of course gonna come.
Right.
I know for sure
Right.
how this is going to affect someone's brain. But like, it is very difficult for the whole country, or the, you know, for a large amount of population to understand ki, you know, this is bad. When cigarettes first came out, that time cigarettes were not branded as, you know, something that could kill you.
Right.
Cigarettes were sold out saying ki these are healthy, you know, women used to smoke cigarette to reduce their weight.
Right.
That
Right.
was the
I heard of
slogan. That was the
Yeah.
slogan back then. But now you go to some to buy a cigarette, you have you have it written on the packet that this is
Smoking.
going to kill you.
Smoking kills, right?
Yeah, so to get on that level, and these objects, these digital media, phone and all the social media and everything, this does not affect your body like a substance. It affects your body. It affects your body. Not body, directly your mind.
Mind.
It directly affects your
Right.
mind. So you don't understand ki it's not like substance, you know, it's not like cigarette or weed or alcohol that
Right.
you can see, you know, ki you use
People
a little
do.
bit alcohol and then you fuck up. But mental health itself is a very new topic.
Yes.
Then
Yes.
you have to teach mental health plus social media, and how social media affects mental health.
Right.
And there are no good studies, or like, you know, extensive studies which can show this. It's the neuroscience of this, the psychology of this is very
Right.
new. So I don't think it is like for us it is going to be easy to tell people, or for parents also,
Right.
to understand ki this is a problem. I think it will take at least like 5 to 10 years until
Maybe.
people realize ki this is a problem and something should be done to take care of this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
I am only talking more than you.
it's okay, no problem. So what will be my take? As you said, right, that most of the people in India are not educated. Okay. First of all, I didn't know that so much people are illiterate. I'm sorry, illiterate. So what my take is that compared to the previous generations, the generations, like even our age people, some of our friends are married now, right? So our generation can start that thing,
Yeah.
right? Because we can't say that most of them are uneducated or something. At least we can initiate that thing.
Yeah. We can start off
Right.
can start off. It's not like we cannot do nothing at all.
We can do, at least we can play some part, right? We can create awareness. It can be through social media or
This podcast.
exactly, right?
Yeah.
We have social media, right? We can see, it's all about how you use something that you have. There are two things to a certain topic or certain anything, any subject. There's always a good side, a bad side, right?
Okay. That is also
Except
great.
accepting what the bad things are, try to overlook it and see what the good picture is. Try to focus more on that and try to do things which will suppress the bad thing and bring up the good thing. Right now, talking about social media, you can do good things, you can do bad things on social media, right? But have people ever thought that we've got this thing, right? How can we use it to the fullest? What can we do out of it? We all know Instagram. Instagram is such a thing now where people can earn money through posts,
Yeah.
through posting videos, through
Yeah.
posting photos, right? It has created
Like a marketplace.
yes, it's a marketplace, right? People can show their talent, people can do stuff and make money out of it, right? So try to do something productive,
Yeah.
right? Try to do something for yourself. Try to do something which will put money in your pocket.
Yeah.
Doing it in a good way, not in a bad way. Don't do something negative and make money out of it, because that money won't even last. Trust me, this is karma. This is how things work. If you do bad is going to happen to you. If you do good will happen to you. It's karma. And I think everyone should believe in karma,
Okay.
right? We have very good platforms. We have Instagram, we have YouTube, Facebook, endless things we have. We have access to information, we have Google, what not we have, right? So
This kind of information, this kind of knowledge, like 20 years back, it was just impossible to have this kind
exactly, this was impossible. What we had to do now, let's say about our schooling days, right? What we used to do, go to a cyber cafe, sit there, give money for half an hour. We used
of
to
play
play
Vice City.
we used to play games, right? But we didn't play games the whole day, right?
Yeah.
Even social media now we have.
Yeah.
What do we do? Like now, most of the people who are working, what do? They just sit for an hour, watch videos, anything they do. After that, back to work,
Yeah.
right? But the young generation, they should think a little bit, right?
Their market means like their new ways of earning money are a lot now, like on internet itself.
Yes.
Like you don't even have to go on all the platforms. Like
Right.
you can choose just one platform, Instagram or YouTube
Right.
or Facebook or Twitch or whatever you.
Yes,
Just
true.
select one platform, start creating your stuff, you start making your thing,
Right.
you start earning out of it.
Right.
And you can do what you like. Matlab, it's not.
Your way, whatever your interest is, right?
Yeah.
Basically.
Yeah, and it's a really good thing, at least according to me, for me, कि at an early age, at an early career, in an early career, people get the autonomy to earn their own money, not to work for
Someone else. Exactly.
And yeah, it's this like I like this model of the world.
Right, true. Because I'll tell you my personal thing. Even I don't want to work for someone else, right? That's why I'm doing what I'm doing today.
Yeah.
I'm-
So yeah, let's get into that now.
Okay, sure.
For half an hour we spoke about other things. So
Okay.
now we'll get into what you do. And you were saying you don't like to do jobs.
Yes.
Yeah, begin with that then.
So, see, my mindset is like, why work for someone else, right? If you're doing, see, what I've heard of, it may be true, it may not be true, but BPOs and all those stuff, like working in a company, there is someone sitting on top of you, you have to listen to their orders, right?
Yeah.
And then monthly a fixed income, right?
Yeah.
You have to work 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours a day and work for how much? 30,000? Get abused by your seniors. बेंचो ठीक से काम कर, ये कर, वो कर, टारगेट पूरा नहीं हो रहा, right? But when you come to the stock market, you are your own boss. It takes time. It takes a lot of time to learn everything. It takes a lot of time. You need the right psychology. You need a good mentor. Okay, you need to study the right stuff, right? Related to like there are now, you can divide the market in two analysis things, right? The fundamental and the technical.
Okay.
I myself focus more on technical analysis. Okay, so
What is the difference?
yeah, that was what I was going to tell you. So the fundamental analysis, or what we call it, fundamentals. Fundamentals are basically all the things related to what do you call that? Quarterly results, yearly results. These CA things do, what do you call that? Balance sheet, reading a balance sheet, right? Then comparison with other companies, there are a lot of ratios. You compare it with another company on the basis of price earning ratio, or there are book values for every company, right?
What is the book value?
Okay, so book value exactly is the value which should be according to the books of the company. It basically tells you that the current market price or the current stock price is overvalued or undervalued. Let's say if the book value of a stock is 200 and the current stock price is 400. So the book value says it should be 200, but the stock's price is 400. So the stock is overvalued now. Okay, and if the book value is 200 and the stock is 100 rupees now, then it is undervalued and you should look to buy such a stock.
Okay, why we should?
Because what the books say, what the company's books say कि हमारा स्टॉक ये प्राइस पे होना चाहिए, बट अभी वो कुछ चीज़ों के वजह से टेक्निकली ट्रेडर्स ने उसको शॉर्ट कर दिया है. शॉर्ट करना मतलब सेल करना. ओके, शॉर्ट करके नीचे लाया है, वो एक सपोर्ट जोन पे आया है. इफ you have to relate all the things. You have to take in fundamental, you have to take in technical is very vast, fundamental is very vast. Not on, you can't buy a stock only on the basis of a certain thing.
Okay.
You have to relate it with other things too, current market conditions, right? Now there are a lot of news coming in the market. It affects the stock.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
If a company is good, book value से price नीचे है, now there are many more ratios. Price earning ratio है, and there are endless now. I don't even remember it, right? Because every day even I'm learning new things. I'm reading books related to markets and all. So there are a lot of things. You have to sit, you have to do analysis, you have to take in the fundamentals, the technicals, try to relate it. हाँ अच्छे जगह पे है, then you buy a stock. And I'll tell you, the best time to buy any stock is after a market crash or after a big correction.
Correction.
Yes. What's a correction, right? The market, the market is very dynamic. Firstly, the market, moves, both the ways. There are traders, there are investors, right?
Yeah.
A lot of money is put into the market. So the market is very dynamic. After a big rally, there will be profit taking. Okay. So during the profit taking, what happens is the market starts coming down. We call it as a pullback. Technically we call it as a pullback, right? क्योंकि मार्केट ऊपर गया, एक जगह पे जाके प्रॉफिट बुक हो गया, तो मार्केट इज गोइंग टू कम डाउन अ लिटिल बिट. That's how the market works. Okay, so when the market comes down, right, this is known as a correction. Okay. When the market comes down, it is a correction.
Okay, matlab it goes to a peak,
Yes.
then it comes
Going
down.
up is known as impulse. Coming down is known as a correction. Okay. So correction जब ही पूरा हुआ, look at the chart and try to enter. Try to enter there. If there is good price action. I always talk about price action. I have my classes too. Okay, so I always talk to my students about it, right? Try to trade only on the basis of the chart. Okay, invest. Yes, I have some few techniques or strategies on which we can buy stocks only by looking at the chart.
Okay.
Right, but for that, what's important is you should test these strategies, right? उधर नीचे अच्छा क्या फॉर्म हो गया तब आप बाय करोगे, right? Now there's a very simple funda in the market, right? Buy low, sell high. Okay, how can you buy a stock which is already at its all-time high? Why would you buy?
At least for
Right.
me, there is no reason to buy.
Right? You never do that. एक स्टॉक भागने के बाद आप उसको बाय मत करो. स्टॉक गिरने दो. अच्छे कंपनी का स्टॉक है, गिरने दो. वो जब गिरेगा तभी उठाओ आप उसको. वो प्रीवियसली जो उसने हाई बनाया उधर तक जाएगा. दिस इज वेरी लॉजिकल एंड मोस्ट ऑफ अस डोंट डू दिस. I myself, when I started it, I used to do the opposite.
Okay.
I literally, like my brother, we both trade together. I have few of my cousins with me who we trade together only, right? So when we started, we used to do the exact opposite. I didn't even know how to place a trade, right? But you learn it by doing it, right?
It's almost been 1.5 years, right? You started trading.
Yes, I guess it's more than that now, I guess.
Almost 2 years.
Yeah, almost 2 years. By the end of this year, maybe it will be more than 2 years. Yeah.
Okay.
More than 2 years. Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
Right. I lost a lot of money in the market. It was like around 1.5 lakhs or something.
When you started?
Yes, from when I started. I used to be an investor before. I had bought stocks directly after the market crash. The COVID crash of 2020 was the best time to buy stocks. At what, pretty decent stocks, right? And what I did was I took out the money, I took out my investment because I wanted to start trading.
Okay.
So we didn't have enough knowledge, right? How to do trading, how to do this, how to do that. And what happened
what is the basic difference between investment and trading?
Okay, so trading is an approach for a long-term goal.
Long-term.
Yeah, I'll give you a very basic example. You've heard this. Rome was not built in a day.
Yeah.
Right? It took a lot of years. Right? So investing is like that. You do analysis of a stock, You put your money, you wait for few months or few years, right? And when you get a decent profit, right? So that time you book the profit, right? So it takes years for a stock to go from 500 to 700 or 800. That is like how much percent return? 60-70%. It's not going to happen in a day.
Yeah, sure.
Or not in a month. It will take years. You have to be patient, right? So Rome was not built in a day is an example of investing. You have to do technical analysis also and fundamental analysis. What I prefer is doing technical too. Technical भी करना चाहिए while investing. Chart भी देखना चाहिए.
Okay.
That is my approach.
Okay.
I mainly focus on technical. फंडामेंटल ऑल्सो आई डू, बट या मेरा फंडामेंटल का नॉलेज उतना नहीं है. मैंने सीए का पढ़ाई नहीं किया है. आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम अ कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड. मुझे जितना आता है मैं उतना करता हूँ. बट येस, चार्ट का मेरे पास है नॉलेज, थोड़ा बहुत नॉलेज है, राइट? उसके बेसिस पे आई कैन मेक मनी एवरी डे.
अच्छा, so that is trading.
That is trading. Now for फंडामेंटल और टेक्निकल दोनों करोगे तब आप इन्वेस्टिंग कर सकते हो. आपको ट्रेडिंग करना है, यू स्टिक टू टेक्निकल्स.
Okay.
Stick to your technical, right? Trading is like the best example can be. I shouldn't be giving this example, but Hiroshima and Nagasaki were destroyed in a day. How much time did it take to drop 2 nukes?
I think it was something around 1 or 2 hours.
Right? Trading is like that. Trading, you can book profits in fucking 10-15 minutes.
Okay.
Right? You can make big profits in trading. But right, what the thing is that people should first learn technical analysis.
Okay.
People.
What all comes under technical analysis?
Technical analysis basically, involves reading charts. There are candles.
Charts. Right? These charts are the ones which we see on the screen.
Yes. There's a site known as TradingView.in.
TradingView.
Yeah, you get all the charts there. Like any market, be it stock market, be it crypto market, be it commodities, be it forex, you get all the charts there.
Okay.
So what we do is we analyze the candlestick patterns.
Okay.
Right? What type of a candle is it? There are different candles. Now, I personally know 14 different types of candles. Patterns, I would say.
So candle is a pattern.
Candle is basically a certain price where a bar opens and the movement of the bar for a specific period of time. Now you can set the time. There's 1 minute, there's 2 minutes, there's 3 minutes, 5, 10, 15, 20, half an hour, 1 hour, 2, 3, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week. You get time frames. Okay, so I basically prefer 5 minutes time frame for my trading. I find it best. Okay, because मतलब क्या होगा कि after 5 minutes a candle will open, the price will move based on the buyers and sellers coming into the market. If buyers are more, candle जहाँ पे open हो गया वहाँ से ऊपर जाएगा और वो green बनेगा. अगर वो ऊपर जा रहा है तभी sellers ने enter किया तो वो ऊपर जाता हुआ कैंडल अभी नीचे आएगा और छोटा बनेगा और ऑपोजिट साइड भी चला जा सकता है. सो देयर आर दीज थिंग्स आर नोन एज कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न्स. व्हाट इज हाउ डू वी learn this? There is a lot of stuff on the internet. We can get a lot of data related to candles or chart patterns. Right? Now, as you said, in technical analysis, what all is there? The most basic thing is candles. Right?
So this is one technique to understand.
Yes,
technical.
you should know all the candles by heart.
Okay, how many candles are there?
What I've studied is 14 different types of candlestick patterns. Okay. Then after that, there are certain patterns, chart patterns. The double top, double bottom.
Yeah, I've seen short videos of these, like people showing this is how it goes, and then it goes down or it goes up based on what the what do you
pattern.
call that? pattern.
double top pattern,
Double top,
chart patterns,
chart
what we call
pattern.
it.
Like let's say there is only one mountain, then it will go down.
Yes.
If there are two mountains, then it will go up.
Right.
Something like that.
Okay, so a double top is a reversal pattern, a double bottom is a reversal pattern. There are many different patterns. Okay, the most common is the wedge pattern, which I use in my trading. I find it, a pretty solid and powerful pattern which helps me in my trading. A wedge pattern, the most common are double top, double bottoms, right? There are different chart patterns, plus what I've done is harmonic trading.
Harmonic trading.
Yes, there are
This is something new.
yeah.
Listen.
So I don't know, like I've studied it a lot of time. I did it last year. I remember only the patterns and the numbers related to those patterns. So these are known as the golden or natural numbers, which can be seen in the nature. The petals of the flowers.
Okay.
They are also, there are specific number of petals which are also based on the harmonic numbers. These are the natural numbers.
Okay.
Petals of the flowers.
Pi.
Even pi is included in the, is a harmonic number,
pattern. Pi.
right?
Yeah.
So pi is there. There are, I'll just tell you, there are many numbers. Like there is 0.382, 0.5, 0.618, 0.707, 0.786.
This is like magic, you have this numbers,
yes.
and you can see those in the nature also.
Yes, you can see those in the nature.
Yeah.
So this comes directly from the nature, right? So I have this in my strategy, right? The harmonic trading. What we get from this patterns is, a reversal. A trend reversal.
What is that?
Let's say the market is going up, and if there is a harmonic pattern there, and if I draw a reversal zone, the market goes into the reversal zone. Let's say if it was going up and I have a reversal pattern, a W pattern basically in harmonic trading. So W pattern के हिसाब से एक मेरे रिवर्सल जोन में जो बनाऊंगा उसमें से मार्केट नीचे चले जाएगा.
Okay.
ठीक है, बट I've studied price action too.
Price action.
Yeah, means I've studied it from a very different series of books. Okay, so I would rather say that a trend reversal से ज़्यादा मार्केट वहाँ पे एक स्विंग बनाएगा, right? मतलब एक इम्पल्स मारा तो वहाँ से करेक्शन आएगा.
Okay.
That's how I started taking this, because market is, as I said earlier, market is very dynamic. And market has the habit of doing the same thing which it was doing few time ago.
Okay.
It is not going to reverse so easily.
Okay. So there is a pattern in everything you are saying.
Yes, there's a pattern. Harmonic trading is something different. It takes a lot of time to study it. There's a series on that too. I don't know the.
So all these things,
I don't
we'll
remember.
probably put it in the description. The links
Sure.
to all these things.
I'll also do one thing. I'll tell you the name of the books too, from which I did it. But yeah, it takes a lot of time to do all these things, right? Technical में बहुत चीज़ें हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें हैं. You have to draw trend lines. Right now, what's a trend line? If the market is going up, right? As we said, कि market goes up, how does it go up? There's an impulse, ऊपर गया, नीचे आया थोड़ा profit booking के time पे, that's a correction, right? So impulse correction, ऐसे market ऊपर जाते रहता है impulse correction करते. So this one impulse and one correction is a swing. Okay, we call it as a swing. Just like you remember where we have waves. There's a crest and a trough, right? But the trough drops to the bottom where the crest formed. यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं होता है. It happens, but अगर trend strong है,
ये थोड़ा exponential.
मतलब ऊपर जाएगा और थोड़ा सा नीचे आएगा. If the trend is strong, like let's say there are 2 trends, right? 3 trends. My mistake. Okay, there's a bull trend, there's a bear trend, and there is a sideways market. Okay, so in a bull market what happens is the market goes up, ऊपर impulse मारा, थोड़ा सा नीचे आया, correction. अभी वो impulse का top है, राइट, वो पीक जो है वो जब तक टूटेगा नहीं तब तक मार्केट एक नया हाई नहीं बनाएगा, राइट. तो वो प्रीवियस हाई ब्रेक होने के लिए वो करेक्शन लगना भी ज़रूरी है. दैट इज़ द साइकिल ऑफ द मार्केट.
Okay.
मार्केट ऐसे ही ऊपर जाता है. ओके, सो देयर इज अ बुल ट्रेंड. नाउ यू गॉट इट. व्हाट्स अ बुल ट्रेंड? कि नया हाई बनते जाएगा हर बार. एक बार हाई लगना बंद हो गया मतलब प्रीवियस हाई को अगर इस बार मार्केट ब्रेक नहीं कर पाया तो मार्केट विल डू द ऑपोजिट और रादर इट विल बिकम साइडवेज, राइट. द थर्ड थिंग विच आई टोल्ड यू, रेंज, वो टाइप का मार्केट बन जाए. बट रिवर्सल इतने इजीली नहीं आएगा.
अच्छा.
ओके, दैट्स माई अप्रोच टू ट्रेडिंग. सो बुल ट्रेंड आप ऐसे ट्रेड कर सकते हो कि एक करेक्शन में बाय कर सकते हो. एंड on a larger time frame, if you see the market on a monthly time frame, market ऊपर ही जा रहा है. Market is never going to come down.
Okay.
Right, the economy is going to grow. Right?
But what about the recession that is going to come now? Everyone is like, a lot of people are talking about the recession, the one that is standing in front of us.
Try to put your hands into other things too.
Okay.
Like there are social media stars, even they are doing good things. You can always have a backup.
Yeah.
You can enter the stock market, do investment, start trading. And I'll tell you one thing that people in abroad, especially the US, more than 50% of their population is in the stock market. They're invested.
Okay.
Whereas India, I think less than 10% of our population is into the
It
stock
must be
market.
like
4-5%.
We are guessing these numbers.
Yeah.
If you want the actual numbers, you can look it up.
You can always do a research. Yeah. So it's it will be very helpful if you get into the stock market because you're going to make returns. You're going to make pretty decent returns here. Trading, it takes a lot of time to learn something. Right, it takes a lot of time.
Yeah.
Right. So first the basic approach should be first you learn, then you earn. Right. And in the stock market, what I myself have experienced is, zero knowledge is better than half knowledge. Half knowledge is going to kill you into the stock market.
Okay.
Because you don't know कि चलो ये हो गया, ये पता है क्यों हो गया, इसके बाद क्या होगा मुझे पता नहीं. Right? So be it stock market or be it any other field, make sure that you learn stuff about that specific thing which you are going to do. Do research, spend time, spend a lot of time doing research and make sure you start early after taking the knowledge. Yeah, try things, try those strategies, try whatever things you've studied, but make sure you test those things and then you start and make a living out of it.
There is also paper trading, no?
Yes, you can practice that. I myself, sometimes if I'm not confident enough or, if I don't trust a certain move, what I do is I paper trade. See, people will say कि नहीं क्या paper trading, fake money, but I need to test my strategy. Right? If I don't have a, good backup capital, I can't afford losing my money. No one is going to give me money, right?
Yeah.
Unless and until you are doing a job from where you are going to get money, you can take the money from there and you can put it into trading.
Yeah.
But, for a person like me who's not doing a job, right? I should take a paper trade. Okay, and if someone has...
You should, basically you should minimize all the risks.
Yes.
As much as you can.
Yes. Basically, you should know risk management, right? In the market, let's say if what usually we do is, if not paper trade, we go in with a, less quantity. We go with less quantity. Let's say if we are going to put in 100 quantity into a particular stock, right? And if I don't trust that move, I won't put my 100 quantity. I'll put 10% of my regular quantity, or half of it, 50, right? So we can do something like that, but try to take that trade. Try to the most foolish thing what people can do is not trusting their strategy.
Okay.
That is the biggest mistake what people do. People are not confident enough. It's okay, confidence develop होने के लिए, build होने के लिए थोड़ा time लगता है, right? But you learn by doing it.
Yeah.
अगर आपको रिस्क बहुत ज़्यादा लग रहा है, आपको लग रहा है कि आप इतना पैसा डाल रहे हो, ट्राई टू डू वन थिंग, आधे से भी कम पैसा डालो, 1/3 ऑफ द अमाउंट,
Okay.
बट टेक एन एंट्री,
Hmm.
राइट? क्योंकि बाद में यू वोंट रिग्रेट अगर वो मूव अच्छा चला तो, राइट? कुछ ना कुछ आएगा आपके पास.
Yeah.
जिधर आप 4-5 हज़ार का प्रॉफिट बनाने वाले थे, क्या पता वहाँ पे 400-500 मिले, बट यू आर टेकिंग समथिंग, राइट? वी यूजुअली से कि ट्राई टू क्लोज योर डे इनटू ग्रीन with a green PNL. PNL is profit and loss statement. Okay? So try to close your day into green by taking something.
However low it is.
Yeah.
How much ever low it is.
कितना भी कम हो. See, what my approach is that profit है, भले वो 500 रुपये हो या 5,000 रुपये हो, राइट? प्रॉफिट होता है. एंड जब आप स्टार्ट करोगे तब मेक श्योर कि आप छोटे छोटे प्रॉफिट्स लो, क्योंकि उसी से आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा, राइट? मार्केट का स्ट्रक्चर क्या है उसको समझो, राइट? आई वुड सजेस्ट कि यू बेटर स्टिक टू टेक्निकल्स. टेक्निकल्स पे भी स्टिक करोगे, आपको बहुत यू कैन डू लाइक क्रेजी थिंग्स, यू कैन मेक चंक्स ऑफ मनी, right? So technical is very important. I myself right, from few months I've been spending most of my time reading books related to technical analysis. It helped me a lot. It made me it like after reading these books मेरा vision इतना clear हो गया कि मार्केट ने स्टार्टिंग के 1-1.5 घंटे में ये किया तो ऐसा होगा आज.
अच्छा.
Right? So I did my research. I got the books which are going to help me, right? Obviously you have to do research. करो, खुद से करो, या फिर try to get a mentor who has experience, who knows about your field,
Yeah.
who can guide you well.
Yeah. Mentor
Right.
is very important.
Yeah, a mentor is very important. And in our case what we did was we didn't have a mentor,
Yeah.
to be very honest. Like we used to watch videos on YouTube, उतना ही करते थे हम लोग, उससे ज़्यादा कुछ किया ही नहीं, क्योंकि ये करना है, वो करना है, ये सीखना है, राइट? बट क्लासेस वगैरह लाइक थोड़ा रिसर्च किया, 40,000 50,000 नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकते थे यार. वी डिडंट हैव द मनी. ट्रेडिंग करूँगा या क्लासेस में पैसे भरूँगा, राइट? बट जब आप खुद से करोगे तो वो एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अलग होता है. दैट एक्सपीरियंस इज वेरी डिफरेंस.
Yeah. टाइम भी ज़्यादा लगता है.
Time, yeah, it will take a lot of time, but yeah, what you'll do on your own is like it feels like heaven when you get success after grinding yourself, not taking anyone's support.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So personal experiences पे ही focus करो rather than कि इसने बताया इसलिए ये किया, इसने बताया इसलिए ये ट्रेड लिया, वो ट्रेड लिया. नहीं, what you do is
प्रोफेशनल, एक तो प्रोफेशनल मेंटर के पास
yes exactly. प्रोफेशनल मेंटर है तो dude, you are the luckiest person, right? Because जिनके वीडियोस हम देखते थे, right, उनके क्लासेस वगैरह हम लोग नहीं कर सकते थे अफोर्ड. What we used to do was they used to post analysis videos daily on YouTube. On weekends also they put videos, right? हम लोग देख के ही सीखे. We learn by watching others do it,
Okay.
So वही प्रोसेस है. And what I would say is कि start करो, start doing it. What people, लोगों में fear बहुत होता है कि नहीं क्या ये किया तो ये होगा, पैसा चला जाएगा. अरे जाएगा, पैसा वापस भी आएगा. आप पहले सही से सीखो, एक मेंटर ढूंढो, स्टार्ट करो. What happened?
Start करना मतलब it's not like you start spending your money.
No.
You start paper.
पेपर ट्रेडिंग स्टार्ट करो, पेपर ट्रेडिंग स्टार्ट करो.
But-
स्ट्रैटेजी है. अभी आई पर्सनली हैव अ जर्नल, राइट. जो बुक्स मैंने पढ़े हैं उसमें से आई रोट डाउन नियरली 450 पॉइंट्स,
Okay.
राइट, कि उसमें से क्या स्ट्रैटेजीज है. एंड दिस इज अ वेरी फेमस प्राइस एक्शन ट्रेडर नोन एज एल ब्रुक्स.
Al Brooks. Okay.
Al Brooks, and he has written a series of books
Okay.
where the first book tells you about how to trade price action trends, right? मतलब वन वे मार्केट कैसा ट्रेड करते हैं. Then the second book is when the market gets stuck in a range, how to trade it. And the third book is on how to trade a reversal. मार्केट रिवर्स होता है तब क्या साइंस होते हैं, right? So I spent a lot of months, and I was damn happy that yes, I read all these books. So after that, now I'll be testing some strategies, and even I have some additional strategies in the which I've learned from the live market. Then I need to collab it and then use it into my trading.
Okay.
पहले से स्ट्रैटेजीज है, प्लस हमको बाहर से और नॉलेज क्या मिल रहा है, ये दोनों को एक साथ लाके ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव योर सेल्फ, राइट. एज यू सेड, एक प्रोफेशनल मेंटर हो गया आपके पास तो
Best.
दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग, राइट. एंड देर आर ग्रेट ट्रेडर्स इन इंडिया. देर आर वेरी वेरी गुड ट्रेडर्स इन इंडिया. ट्रस्ट मी. आई यूज्ड टू वॉच लाइव स्ट्रीम्स of some traders. They do pretty well, man. They tell people for free कि how should you buy it, क्या buy करना चाहिए, इधर से मार्केट किधर जाएगा. That's a lot of hard work यार,
Yeah.
right? And ऐसा कोई मेंटर आपको मिला तो मेक श्योर कि आप उनको पूरा निचोड़ो, उनके पास से सारा नॉलेज लो, बिकॉज वो एक्सपीरियंस्ड लोग होते हैं यार. यू शुड रिस्पेक्ट देम.
Yes. Experience is something which no matter how much learning can challenge,
Yes.
You can read 1,000 books, but a person who's experienced
He is going to
do something different than
Yes.
what you would do.
their observations are different.
Yeah.
दे नो कि मार्केट इधर आके सपोर्ट लेगा या नहीं, मार्केट को इधर ऊपर जाएगा तो ऊपर जाएगा मार्केट, एक लेवल पे उसके ऊपर नहीं जाता है तो वी कॉल दैट एज अ रेजिस्टेंस. नीचे आता है, नीचे से हमेशा वो लेवल से ऊपर जाता है, सो दैट इज अ सपोर्ट. सम ट्रेडर्स आर सो गुड, आर इंडियन ट्रेडर्स, कि उनको सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस तक पता है यार कि मार्केट इधर से घूमेगा ही घूमेगा, राइट. एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर कि some of the traders, right, young traders in US and many other countries, right, so उन्होंने भी I watched their videos how they made losses, but when I saw videos of our Indian traders, Indian traders के हिसाब से वो पॉइंट पे मैंने जो उनके वीडियोस में देखा है, उन्होंने जो टेक्निक्स बताए हैं उस पे से ये निकला कि जो ट्रेडर्स ने लॉस किया था वो बाहर के ट्रेडर्स ने, वहाँ पे कोई ट्रेड ही नहीं बनता था.
अच्छा.
Such great traders we have in India.
हाँ क्या?
Yeah. And this is the best place to make money, the stock market. It takes time. You should focus on learning more. That's the main thing is because very simple. I'll tell you what the mindset of people is nowadays. They want easy money.
Quick money. Like,
they don't want to grind. They don't want to work hard. They don't want to hustle.
फॉर्मूला रहेगा, कुछ तो रहेगा, नहीं क्या बता दो मेरे को कैसे करते, फिर मैं करके पैसे कमा लेता.
Right. But the thing is, कि
चलो अभी मान लो चलो कि आपको कोई तो कॉल दे रहा है कि नहीं क्या इधर ये बाय करना है, कल को वो इंसान ने कॉल देना बंद किया, कैसे पैसे कमाओगे आप?
कल को वो इंसान मर गया तो क्या करोगे?
दैट्स द वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो, राइट? बट चलो कल को उन्होंने उनका चैनल ही बंद कर दिया, बताना बंद किया, क्या करोगे?
या
राइट? एंड व्हाट आई हैव सीन इज कि लाइक ये लोग कॉल्स बहुत अच्छे देते हैं, राइट? बड़े बड़े ट्रेडर्स, बट एक आधा ट्रेड गलत हो गया तो पीपल स्टार्ट अब्यूजिंग देम, विच इज़ वेरी रॉन्ग. दिस इज लाइक आई हैव सीन दिस पर्सनली कि 2-3 ट्रेड दे दिए अच्छे, ग्रेट, तगड़ा मोटा पैसा कमाया, बट देन उसके बाद एक आधा कॉल गलत हो गया. वाई आर यू क्राइंग अबाउट इट? हाउ कैन यू फॉरगेट दैट पहले इतने सारे कॉल्स दिए जो अच्छे गए हैं, राइट? एक आधा कॉल गलत हो गया तो क्या होने वाला है यार? यू आर फॉरगेटिंग ऑल द गुड दैट अ स्पेसिफिक पर्सन हैज डन टू यू, राइट? फॉर अ स्मॉल थिंग. आज को एक ट्रेड गलत हो गया तो आप ये कर दोगे, ऐसे नहीं होता है. सो ये सारा जो माइंडसेट है ये चेंज होना चाहिए.
ये तो लाइक ह्यूमन बिहेवियर है.
Yes.
लाइक
बट
बिहेवियरल इकोनॉमिक्स में जाएंगे अभी अपन इकोनॉमिक्स छोड़ के.
श्योर.
So yeah. So what else? Like trading के बारे में तो we have spoken.
Right.
Almost आधा घंटा तो चल गया. Yeah. So what else would you like to add about trading? That something like which is taboo or something which generally like you are a newcomer. Even if you say कि अभी 2 साल हो गए.
Yes, I'm a newcomer.
2 साल
Obviously,
is
I
like
have a lot
very
of
less.
things to
Yeah,
learn.
Yeah. 2 years is like a very small amount of time. इसके बाद
Exactly.
now ये podcast अभी एयर होएगा थोड़े दिनों में 2022 में, राइट?
Yeah.
फिर इसके बाद और 3-4 साल, 4 साल बाद, 5 साल बाद या फिर 10 साल बाद when you will be doing the same thing, trading, that time your mind is going to be very different than what
Exactly.
you are.
It's all about psychology.
Yeah. So like what are abhi when you are a new person, new person in this industry, what are the things that you have to face? What are the things that family wise, like I think for according to my knowledge at least, means I'm not sure, you correct me, ki your family is supporting you.
Exactly.
अभी like you said कि 1 लाख रुपए you had lost 1 lakh rupees while
Right.
trading. That is not a small amount.
It's a big amount.
Very big amount. And there are like in India 70% population earns less than that amount.
Exactly.
So we are very privileged to do that.
Right.
So how did your family support you? How did your brother support you? How did the people around you make you feel about this thing? Ki this is an unconventional way of earning.
Right.
Abhi agar in the society you go, like anywhere you go, if you want to get married, if you want to
Exactly. I was going to tell you something about
if
that.
you want to do anything, in the society, in the
People say that you should have a job.
yeah, you should have a job.
This thing happened with me,
Yeah.
which you pointed out right now. What you pointed out. I went to a relative's house few days back, and they asked me. We met after I don't even remember now how many years. A lot of years, 10-15 years after. After 10-15 years, I met that person, and he asked me, "What do you do?" I said, "I'm an intraday trader, and I even do investment into the stock market." Right? So he was like, "Why don't you do a job?" I said, "I get good returns here." Right? मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि दिन में लाख कमाता हुआ, ऐसे नहीं. But with time that is also going to happen, right? Because I'm going to stick to the market. If you stick to the market, after a few years you're going to live your dream life. That is for sure. Okay? So what happened was, he said कि काम का नहीं करत. I was like, मी हे करतो, I've been doing it. I didn't get a job in my industry, and I don't want to do a job. I'm pretty comfortable here. I've given my 100% here since 2 years. I've never turned back. And I'm doing this, I'm working very hard for it. right? Only the ones who are close to me, they only know how much hard work we are putting in and what all things we are doing, right? So we know what we are doing, right? But still he was like, porgi kon denar. I was like, I got fucked up, my mind got fucked up. I said, that this thing, we should stop it, that the mindset of doing a job, which is when,
Means at their point of
yes, their point of view, it's right.
It's not incorrect.
Right.
We don't have to be like, you are wrong कि तू job करते हो.
Yeah.
But because job also gives.
See,
job
what
gives
jobs give is a
security.
fixed income.
Yeah, it gives security.
Security, right?
Means more than fixed income, it's like security. Every month you're going to get this income, so every month your family is going to be fed.
Right.
Your children are going.
I'll
to
tell
have
you
what-
I'll tell you one thing. If there is a big move in the market, what people earn in a month, traders here do it in a day.
Yeah.
Right? But obviously, coming back to the same thing, knowledge, experience, these two things are very important. Without knowledge and experience, you can't do
Experience
it.
And the hustle you put into it, the time you put into it.
Right.
Means there are a lot of people, who are like, I want to do this, I'm doing this, but they're like half-assed, like you said, half knowledge is bad.
Bad. Yes,
So
that's very
they are
bad.
like half-assed, like we are doing this slowly,
Right.
or not putting as much as you have put. Like in 1 year, you must have read like let's say 20 books. Some person will be like, I read only one book, I read only 1 or 2 books, and I watched some YouTube videos, and I'm going to do this. Now that for that person, it would be a good advice कि जा तू job कर. but for someone like you who knows कि अभी now
How
for the
to do
next
things.
for the next 10, your plan is not for the next 6 months or for the next 1 year,
Right.
or 2 lakh rupees or 3 lakhs rupee per month. Your plan is कि एकदम end तक जाना
Yeah.
है, like whatever how much
However far you can take it, that
yeah.
much.
And even that, even like your family, I'm sure they know that कि there could come a time that this could break down. Like how COVID came and everything broke down and sab niche गिर गया. There could come a time. Then how do you tell yourself, like how do you console yourself कि even if that time comes, something wrong happens, which is not your fault, then how will you recover?
See, right. So I got your point. I feel that not only me, but any other individual should be ready to start from zero. Okay? You should have that mindset, you should have that attitude, right? If everything breaks down, for me, I got a backup.
Okay.
I got a master's degree, right? I can work anywhere, right?
Yeah.
But as I said, I'm more of a trader than an investor, right? I can make money by doing trades in a day,
Yeah.
right? That is going to help me make money.
Yeah.
Okay? If I put all my money into my investments and if there is a crash again, then yes, I'm going to lose a lot of money, right? So
Like planning your finances.
yeah, you should have everything planned out, right? Now I'll tell you one more thing. I have my classes too, right? I get pretty decent amount from there too.
Yeah.
मेरे महीने का खर्चा निकल जाता है, right? What more I want? Even for few days I was not trading, right? मुझे कोई कमी नहीं हो गई because मेरे classes है.
So basically what I understand is like you do trading, along with trading you have your classes,
Yes.
and you have other things. Means like while learning this, you also generated your other sources of income.
Right.
Like safe रहना है.
Yes, because you can't solely rely on one source of income.
Yeah.
Right? I'll tell you one thing. Even doing only a job doesn't make your life secure.
Yeah.
You should like there's a very basic thing which everyone does nowadays ki they buy shops and give it on rents.
Yeah.
You can do that, right? But try to generate wealth. Try to generate कि इधर से ले लो उधर से ले लो. Try to be a magnet.
Yeah. So this is like a very new idea which is for the past like 3-4 years it's been growing, कि try to invest more and create wealth
Yes.
more. Don't just work and spend everything.
Exactly. I'll tell you one thing.
Means this knowledge is this is not new knowledge, but
It has come more to light in a few years.
yeah, because of the internet. I would say.
Right?
Yeah. So for people like you and me, we come from Dalit background, right?
Yeah.
So we are almost. I think you are second generation who is educated,
Right.
second or third
Yeah.
generation. I am second generation education I have. So we are very new in this job market or in like in education also, in academia also, in thinking also, to think also, like for example to do trading also you have
Right.
to read books,
Right.
and like to understand those books you needed some education. That education you got from Wadia College. So
Right.
for people like us this is very new, like trading, business, and all the other side hustles and creating wealth. For
Right.
people like us, the easiest way to live life was to get a job.
A government job,
A
I would
government
say.
job. A government job. That too, how? Ki like, get some kind of education, pass some exam, and get some kind of government job. Clerk asil, even if you are a clerk, still we will be like more than glad. We'll have 10 brides for you.
कोई भी लड़की देने को तैयार हो जाए.
इधर ट्रेडिंग करके एक लड़की नहीं मिलती, अगर तू गवर्नमेंट क्लर्क है देखो 10 लड़कियां आएगी.
Because there is job security. Right?
Job security.
See,
So
I had a word with my parents. What happened that day? I'm very close to my parents. My father, my mother. I share everything with them. What we are doing, what we are not doing, what are our plans. Right? My parents have always supported me. And when I told my dad कि असा झालं, he said this, one of my relatives said that. What my dad said was what I wanted to hear. That was what I wanted to hear. My dad was like, तू का लक्ष देतो? तुला माहिती आहे तू काय करतोय, आम्हाला माहिती आहे तू काय करतोय. राईट? आमच्या जनरेशन पासून आम्ही लोक जॉबच करत आलोय.
इंग्लिश में
Okay, so what he said was कि our generation was like that, right? Even their parents, our grandparents told our parents कि you study, you get a job, right? And my father said कि it's okay, you don't listen to anyone, you do your own thing. You're doing your hard work, you're putting your everything in it. Do it. We are not going to stop you, do it. What our generation was कि you get a job, then you'll get a good girl, then you'll get married, but you are breaking the barrier, you are breaking that chain of job thing, and it's a very good thing.
Yeah.
Go do a business.
Yes.
Right? People should do that because you can't survive on the basis of a single job.
Yeah. Means it's like living a life which is just mediocre, like living
Nothing out of the box.
Living because you have the bare minimum, like you buy a house, you start paying the rent. Sorry, not the rent, the EMI.
EMI, right?
Like the EMI will be like more than half your salary, and you will have to pay that for 15 to 20 years.
What is it?
Then you will have your kids, you will have to take care of them, and like salary can take you only so far, like
Yes.
even with the IT boom that we have, like people are getting 20 lakhs, 25
Right.
lakhs. even that is like, you know,
After a certain period of time, they are going to reduce the salary.
yeah.
They'll reduce the salary. कितने लोगों को लाखों देंगे यार?
There are many people who will do the same thing. The salary means like inflation आ जाएगा.
सैलरी
That
कट
is-
होगा, ये
yeah.
सब होने वाला है, राइट?
वो नहीं भी हुआ तभी भी when you say कि you want to do business or you want to do something like trading, stock market or any other kind of business, you know, self earning, then
right.
like if you are the right person to do that thing, and by right person I mean you do the hard work not
Right.
the talent.
I'll tell you one thing. You know, as you said, everyone does hard work.
Yeah.
Right? I'll tell you, this is something out of the topic. I'm so sorry.
No, it's
But
all-
the thing is, everyone does hard work. Everyone grinds.
Yeah.
Everyone does the hustle. Right? But what happens is, किसी को रिजल्ट जल्दी मिलता है, किसी को रिजल्ट थोड़ा लेट मिलता है. Don't stop the hard work. Don't stop the hustle. That's the, you know, I should have put this point earlier. Right? So what happens is, you know, you see people around you, you both are doing the same thing. उनको रिजल्ट मिल रहा है, आपको रिजल्ट नहीं मिल रहा है, राइट? आप ये मत करो कि आप छोड़ दो वो चीज़. हर एक का स्ट्रगल अलग होता है. सबके फील्ड्स अलग है. एक ही फील्ड में रहेगा तो भी चलेगा. सबका हसल अलग है, सबका स्ट्रगल अलग है, राइट? यू कीप डूइंग योर ओन थिंग. डोंट स्टॉप ग्राइंडिंग. डोंट एवर डाउट. वो थॉट प्रोसेस में कभी कमी आने मत दो. डोंट स्टॉप ड्रीमिंग. दैट्स द मेन थिंग, यू नो. एंड इफ यू आर ड्रीमिंग, ड्रीम बिग. If you dream big, if you can, you know, dream big, and if you have the vision, if you see yourself doing a certain thing, it will happen.
Okay.
It
Yeah.
will happen. Just don't stop the hard work.
Okay.
I'm sorry it came, you know, out of nowhere.
No, it's okay. So I think we can end the podcast now. It's been almost more than an hour.
Sure.
So at the end, I would just like to say that we are not against jobs. It's just that in our case, in his case, he finds more benefit in doing a business than a job. You might find, like, due to your family conditions, due to your social economic background, you might find it easier to do a job and then get into a business, or then get into trading, or do trading as a side hustle. So we are not against job. You should like job bib chodo mat. Don't quit your job.
Don't
Just
do
be-
that. Never
just
do that.
because you know you heard someone say कि your job ऐसा रहता हो. Yeah.
See, everyone's situation is different, basically.
Yeah.
So don't do anything like that.
Yeah.
I would say.
Yeah. So yeah, we will pack up now, and I would like to thank Amay very much for his time, and I hope to do the podcast again with him.
Sure.
And
Anytime you say.
keep calling him as a repeated guest. Learn more new things from him. Okay. So bye. Thank you, and subscribe to my podcast, to my channel.